Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. I am filming a few videos in one go, and at the moment I'm testing out this super duper brow product that promises so many things, but it sounds a bit like a miracle magic product. So it says that it's waterproof, smudge proof, transfer proof, and sweat proof. I applied it on and I'm leaving it to set a bit, so I thought I'm gonna jump in and do my makeup and film a makeup tutorial while this product is setting in, and then finish off the brow product review. So that brow super magical product review is already on my channel. If you haven't seen, it's in the eye in the corner, so you guys can check it out after watching this video. So for this video I thought I'm gonna create a bright eye makeup look because it's winter and it's cold and it's gray outside, and at least I want a little bit of a color. I mean, I even wear a gray top, you know, gray and black top, which is not very colorful, but it's winter, so you kind of tend to go with the darker colors and all. So I thought, you know, why not to create a bright makeup look? I got inspired by the makeup look by a pretty girl that I've seen on the Instagram post a lot. So that's my inspo. Do you guys do that? Do you take your inspo pictures and then create your own makeup look? I'm not gonna recreate exactly what you did, but I'm just gonna go and do my version of it. I thought that yellow bright color looked just so nice, so I'm gonna try to create something similar. I'm gonna start from applying a little bit of a concealer on my eyelids. To use this as a primer, you can use the eyeshadow base primer if you wish, but concealer works just as good. So I'm gonna use a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C2. I'm just gonna go and apply it on my eyelids and blend it with a small miracle sponge eraser, how we call this. This one is Real Techniques one. As you probably noticed, I'm wearing lash extensions. I got so obsessed with lash extensions, I don't know, it's just, yeah, something. And I'm trying at the moment the lash serum. So my lashes got like super short and very spare. So I've seen loads of ads for different lash serums, and I found one that is cruelty free and like vegan friendly. So I'm testing that out at the moment. I've been using it for 2 weeks and I could see my own lashes growing like really nicely. So I think I'm gonna film a separate review for that and show you guys, because I did a picture prior start using this. So later when my lash extension is gonna be gone, I'm gonna compare that prior using that serum and after, because it says that it might need like 12 weeks depending on each person, how their body works. So if you're interested in that review of that super lash serum, leave a comment down below and let me know. Our base is on. Just gonna quickly set it. I always set with a setting powder, so I'm gonna use a NYX HD setting powder to do that. My eyes are hooded and my skin is super oily, so if I don't set this, it's just gonna go to one big crease. For today's eye makeup look, I thought I'm just gonna go and use a NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I've been using this in quite a few of my videos and honestly loving this palette. It's super pigmented. There's so many bright colors. So yeah, obsessed with this palette. I'm just gonna take a small lens brush. This one is Real Techniques shading brush and go with this kind of like orangey yellow. It's not yellow, it's not orange, and go as my transition color. So I'm gonna keep my eyes open and go higher than my creases, so I see this color when my eyes are open. Ooh, it's so pigmented. I told you guys it's so pigmented. Okay, we can blend this out. I literally forgot how pigmented this palette is, guys. I'm gonna take later a fluffier brush and blend this out. So I'm using the same brush and gonna go with this orangey color. And I'm literally gonna go in the same place. Taking a fluffier brush and just gonna blend this. So with this orange color, by the way, I went more on the outer corners and the middle. I left in a corner more with a yellow color. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this super bright yellow color and go all over my mobile lid. So I think I'm gonna use this fluffy brush that we just used for blending. Take some on my brush. Maybe I should use a finger. Okay, this yellow color looks a bit like fluorescent color, like a highlighter that you can get as a pen, I mean. So I think we might mix a little bit of a yellow in it, this orangey yellow, taking some on my finger. Later, obviously, I'm gonna blend everything with a brush. So I'm taking a fluffier brush and just gonna blend this all together. So it's not that intense. So I'm coming back to the same small lens brush that we used before in this orangey color and gonna apply a little bit more of this color on the outer corners. As you see, applying just on the outer corners. I'm not really worried about outer corners because I still don't have any foundation on. So before I'm gonna apply foundation, I'm gonna clean the edges off. I think I want to do like an eyeliner. The girl in the picture, she has a black eyeliner. But I think I want a little bit color, so I'm gonna go with this purple color in here. So I'm just taking a small lens brush. This one is Real Techniques eyeliner brush. Gonna spray it with a setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay D-Slick. Don't worry, your eyeshadow not gonna be ruined or anything. I did this loads of times and my eyeshadows are perfectly fine. I'm gonna start from the outer corner. And then just going close to the lash line. Alright, so the eyeliner is on. I think it's matching really nicely the purple color with this yellow and orangey kind of color. So for the lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna go with this yellow orangey color that I used all over my mobile lid. I'm using the same dense brush as I used before for my transition color and this orangey color on the outer corners. So as you see, I'm just going all over my lower lash line. I'm going a little bit messy because we still have no foundation on. We can clean this up. This is the best, I think, to apply the eyeshadow before applying foundation because you can always clean up a mess if you're a bit heavy-handed or anything like that, or if you get any fallouts which you were not expecting. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this burnt orange color on the middle and outer corners, kinda. See, I'm going so heavy-handed, like messy and all. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a wet wipe and clean up the mess and then apply my foundation. I'm going on the outer corners and cleaning up around the eyeliner that we did. So even if you messed up with the eyeliner, you can always fix this up by using the wet wipe. If you don't like using the wet wipe, you can always apply some tape on the outer corners. It might help you actually to do the eyeliner, but I don't really need that and I don't really like that technique because my skin is so sensitive and I find the tape irritating, like the sensitive skin around my eyes, so I prefer not to do that. But if you feel like you like it, go for it. Whatever is easier for you to use. Just taking this fluffy brush and gonna blend the eyeshadow on the lower lash line because now it's a bit too harsh looking. Okay, let's take a little bit of the mascara for low lash line. If you, like I, don't have the lash extensions, I would go with the falsies for this look because I think it will look nicer. But you can just go with mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to use Worth the Hype mascara. And as I mentioned, I'm just going to go in the lower lash line because I don't really need on my top lashes because of the lash extensions. Alright, so I'm just gonna jump in and finish up my face and gonna come back to use, but the eye makeup look is complete. Super easy, super fast, literally used 3 colors. Used this one. This didn't really work, it was a little bit too bright. This orangey and then as an eyeliner this purple. Super easy makeup look, I think. What do you guys think? So I'm coming back to the lower lash line, the same dense brush that I used before. I'm not adding any product on because it still has some product on, as you can see. And I'm just gonna soften up the edges of the eyeshadow because after applying the foundation and all, it went a bit like edgy. Eye makeup is complete. So for the lips, I think I'm just gonna go with Huda Beauty Contour and Strobe Lip Set in Mousse and Angelic. It's the one I actually have now on my lips. It just cleaned off a little bit and I was applying the foundation. I always like to fill in my lips completely with a lip liner. And then fill the lips in with a liquid lipstick Mousse. I really like this liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty by the way because it glides as an oil but then dries to be matte, so it feels really moisturizing on the lips. I'm not really sure if I want to go with a lip stroke on the top from the set. I think I'm just gonna leave the way it is. So the last thing that is left to do is a little bit of a contour, highlight and blush, but for that I think I'm just gonna go and film a separate video because I found a brand new brand to me, at least. I never heard of this. I found this called CYO company. Apparently they're cruelty free. I've been googling about it, so all I found that it's cruelty free and they don't test on animals, which is amazing. So I thought I'm gonna do a quick review video and do my face by using this. So this is gonna be up on my channel soon if it's not yet. I'm gonna jump in and film another video using this and then I'm gonna come back to you with the finished look. See you soon. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick tutorial. Honestly, that was super quick and super easy to create. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, guys, I would appreciate so much if you would press that button and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a word to me, like literally, not exaggerating. And if you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures. I would love to see those. All my social media accounts are listed in the description box below, so you guys can check it out and tag me in your pictures. Honestly, I would love to see those. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Should I do more review videos or more tutorials or maybe a Q&A finally, because I never did a Q&A before. So if you have any questions, then leave a comment down below and let me know, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and bye!